That 90 years friendship எங்கள் grandfather காலத்திலேருந்து both were started same day. எங்கள் கடைக்கு பக்கத்தில் டிபி ஜுவல்லரி பில்டிங் கட்டும்போது அவர் வந்து ஒரு மேரேஜுக்கு வரும்போது என்ன முக்கியமோ அது ஒரே அதை மால் மாதிரி கிடைக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு சென்ட்ரல் அவங்க ஜுவல்லரி வச்சுருந்தாங்க. வெஸ்டர்ன் பார்ட் ஃபார் காஞ்சிபுரம் சில்க் சாரி, ஈஸ்டர்ன் பார்ட் ப்ரொவிஷனல் ஸ்டோர். ஸோ சுகம்னல் ஜி தான் he started Jain provision store there, and we started Nalli Sam Chetty silk saree shop, both the same day, 26 January 1935. Now nearly 4th or 5th generation. My family, my grandson studied with you, I think. Do you know? Vineet. And my daughter studied with my sister. So I think even my great grandson also will study with her family. Yes. So really we are very lucky, because in T Nagar, the largest showroom in the whole of India, maybe in the whole of world, Manyavar ka. So मेरा आशीर्वाद है, और भी दुकान खोलना है, बड़ा करना है. Thank you so much.
I'm very happy today to be here for the opening of the Manyavar store. We've known the Sugan family for almost 30 years, and they've always been pioneering in everything they did, whether it was school uniforms, corporate uniforms. They were the biggest in everything, and now this is the largest Manyavar store, going across 7 floors and 25,000 square feet, the largest in India. I wish them the best, and I have no doubt that not just me but all of T Nagar will be shopping here at all times.
It's always been our dream to democratize the aristocracy in India, and with the launch of this store, 25,000 square feet over 7 floors, we believe we're one step closer to this dream. And it's a great location for all the people of Chennai and Tamil Nadu to come and sort of get any Indian wear requirements fulfilled. This, if I'm not wrong, is also the largest men's Indian wear store across the world for any brand. It's been a pleasure coming to Chennai. We now have multiple stores in the city and the state, and overall looking at a very bright future. Thank you.
Our family, this is so beautiful. My eyes are shining looking at this beautiful store, and how lovely to see a lovely women's section in the basement and 7 floors. I had never in my life seen something divided between S, M, L, XL. I think that is such a cool idea, and I really hope and pray that this does phenomenally well and becomes a landmark store in Chennai, because we haven't seen anything like this. So beautiful. Thank you.
To India's largest Manyavar Mohe showroom. So we are, this showroom is 15 years old, but now we have expanded from just 3 floors to 7 floors, and we have a wedding lounge for men, we have a bridal lounge, and we have garments for every occasion. Let it be a celebration, let it be a festival, and of course for weddings. We have kurta pajamas for men, we have Indo-Westerns, Sherwanis, suits, Jodhpuris for men for all occasions. And the same for ladies, we have kurtis, saris, and a beautiful, elegant collection of lehengas and saris. Again, I can say that we have the largest collection of Sherwanis for men and lehengas for women in Chennai. 25,000. So we have 7 floors. This showroom is 7 floors, and it is 25,000 square feet. Kids go also.
So even for kids, we have introduced the wear for celebration wear for kids from 1 year onwards. And even for them, you have in boys and girls, you have lehengas, you have Indo-Westerns, you have kurtas, Sherwanis, Indo-Westerns, everything for the children also. And we also have combos where the father and the son, or mother and the daughter. So those kind of combinations have also been introduced here.
Thank you.